Well, cooler air is moving in as we talk about your most accurate forecast. Those gusty winds that we felt yesterday helping bring in some of that cooler air already yesterday. Well, more is on the way. Winds will also be picking up each day. They're going to be stronger a few days out of this week, including tomorrow and Thursday, almost similar to what we had yesterday. But today, breezes easing up a little bit, but still lingering. And temperatures, as they continue to drop, will be heading into the 80s for a few days here as we track a storm system that's approaching from the west. High pressure still pushing to the east. The winds will be picking up today, but they're going to ease up just a little bit. And then eventually, as that area of low pressure gets closer, winds pick up again for your Wednesday and Thursday. Look for gusty winds with wind speeds similar to what we experienced on Monday. All in all, staying dry the next couple of days. By Thursday, a chance for some showers showing up on the map in northern Arizona. But at this point, it still looks like the valley is going to miss out on any of that rain. It'll be to our north, but we'll keep watching it closely. And if anything changes, I'll keep you posted. And then that low lifts to the north, and we will see it eventually clear out to the east with high pressure building in right behind it. That will warm us back up into the 90s, but we're not going to get too uncomfortably warm because that ridge will then be pushing back to the east as we track another storm system that passes to our north. So all of that tells us that conditions will continue to top out at least in the 80s to low 90s, even going into next week before potentially another bigger warm up. But for now, look for temperatures that are trending down, lighter breezes today too. Wind gusts will be closer to 25 miles an hour in the valley, and for northern Arizona, those gusts will peak close to 30 miles an hour. So still breezy, but not windy. You will notice though winds pick up tomorrow and then again on Thursday. I think we've got windy conditions setting up for us again Wednesday, potentially into Thursday, and still breezy into Friday, maybe even Saturday before those winds start to ease up by Sunday. Temperatures will keep falling after reaching that high of 102 on Sunday. Yesterday, we dropped to 95. Today, we fall another 5 degrees to 90. That puts us right at the average for this time of year. Tomorrow, still near normal, and then we're dropping into the 80s and low 80s rather by Thursday, with that high falling all the way to 80 degrees. So it's going to get cooler, and today only a few spots hitting those 90s, including Phoenix, Chandler, and Gilbert. Out to our west, it's highs in the 80s, and to our north, it's 60s and 70s. Temperatures cooling off the next few days as winds linger, and then a little bit of a warm up starts this weekend.